I still can't believe I have passed. Oh my God.
She sent me the result and was saying that is she passed the exam? Is it a pass?
Actually, I got the mail at 4 p.m. and I was going to the theater and I just said like, oh, I'm fail. I texted my husband, I am fail. I texted Shazia, I am fail. And then I just before getting washed up, I thought just to see what percentage I got. I just opened. I was like, I think it's passed. That's why I sent it to you and confirmed. Alhamdulillah,
Did you
Alhamdulillah, Allah
really read
Ta'ala.
your results as fail?
Yeah, I thought I failed.
So that's amazing, Dr. Anum. We
I'm
are
crazy.
super proud of you, super proud of you.
Yeah,
You were
Thank you
always
so
a
yeah,
much.
balanced candidate. We were well aware of that. It was just that, whether you're practicing or not, that was the only worry we had.
yeah.
So, yeah,
Alhamdulillah,
how are you
Meanwhile,
feeling?
I was not finding
yeah.
any partner, and I'm not like into maybe I'll postpone the
I,
exam.
I can't thank you people enough. I don't know. I don't have words to say. I don't know. I can't believe it. Alhamdulillah,
No, we
Alhamdulillah,
knew it.
Alhamdulillah.
We knew it that you would clear. You and Dr.
Yeah,
Shazia started studying, I think, together in the later part of it, correct?
yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah, exactly.
yeah,
Yeah, Dr. Shazia, she was
Partner and
she
partner
was
start
such a
finding
good study
partner.
partner.
yeah,
Yeah,
Dr. Anum.
exactly. Yeah, Dr. Sana, in some class, Dr. Sana told that like the candidate said Dr. Sana needs a partner, and that's why Dr. Shazia contacted me, and she was a very good partner. She was very like punctual and I always like before at the evening I was like I should text her that I will not study today. I'm not feeling well, and she was like I'll be calling you at 9 p.m. And I was like, no, she's going to call me and I have to study and
Yeah, having a
Alhamdulillah.
good partner is a bless, isn't it?
Important.
It's a
Yeah.
blessing. It's a blessing, exactly. And having a
So,
good mentor is a blessing too. And
yeah. So yes,
Alhamdulillah,
Anum,
Alhamdulillah.
so we want to hear from you that I know you were not with us during your first attempt. You only
Yeah,
did
yeah,
mock with us, and then subsequently
yeah,
you enrolled with us for a long course,
yeah.
a long boot camp. So from the last year to this year, what was your strategy for this exam this time?
I just realized that my empathy is poor. Like before taking the mock, I took the mock with you people. Did you remember?
Yeah.
Just like
Yes.
1 week before the exam. Until then, I didn't know that I'm not empathetic. And after that, the Vajiha told me that yes, I just realized after Dr. Deepika mentioned that yes, you don't have any empathy, there is no tone in your voice. And though the time was very short, I tried, but I couldn't make it. I just failed by 1%. Okay, this time I was very clear when I thought that which course to be taken. It was elite. I was very sure about that. And though I was not very punctual in taking the classes, but I have all the study material. And anytime me and Shaz are doing anything, everything was very accessible. You can very handy. I just open my phone. I'm in any case is in my mind. I will just open it. I just search it and I'll just read it. Everything was so handy, so convenient. And yes, I practiced it with Shazia.
Yeah.
And that's it. I didn't do anything else. I was not having any previous material, except my handheld notes, which I made myself in my previous attempt. And it was just elite material. And I was just like
Okay.
studying that.
So did you get all the, did you get the opportunity to go through all the podcasts? Did you listen to them?
Not the all podcast, just the topics which I thought that they were not clear to me.
Yeah.
Like I took the some primary amenorrhea ones and some from some urogyne
Mm.
and also the sexual ones, the sexual reproductive health ones.
Okay.
These post podcast I
Yeah.
just
So
took.
no, we were pretty sure in the last exam as well, or even when you were continuously submitting the homework stations. This I'm talking about the previously when you were not enrolled with us. That you had an excellent knowledge. You knew everything, and you were also reading more. You were reading more and more and more, and that's when we pitched in and told you like read less and then, try to have more empathy and more communication skills and try to, put all the points, the salient points within 10 minutes of time. That was only
Yeah.
thing that was lacking. Otherwise, everything else was perfect with you. I think that you
Actually, from somewhere it was in my mind that I passed my part two like 4.5 years back, and I have forgot every like details and the guidelines. So yes, in the first time I was before doing any topic, I did all the guidelines, all the study material, and I was practicing less and I was studying more. This
Yeah.
time I studied less, but I practiced more. Like the
Yeah.
only material was the elite notes. I just go through that any topic, any like, and then we'll just practice. And each and everything was given in the notes, so I didn't have to study anything. Like no other source was needed.
Yeah. So what are the strategies that you want to tell your upcoming colleagues who are going to give this November exam? That did you understand something? Okay, this is something they should be definitely doing. This is something they should not be doing. What are your do's and don'ts that you want to tell them?
Well, what I did in my exam actually, in the first time, I didn't realize that there was the lay examiner. I didn't notice the lay examiner, and I wasn't aware that which stations are of the lay examiner. In this exam, I was very particular, like where is the lay examiner, and I especially focus on my empathy.
Empathy.
Like, yeah, because you see, in the there was a station of the ovarian CA, and the patient, the role player, she was weeping and weeping and weeping, and then and still I was just like trying to calm her, and I asked her about the any genetic study was done or not, but at the end I just forgot to tell that I will connect with the geneticist. But I think that in that station my empathy was very good because she was continuously weeping. So I just take it account, like where the lay examiner is, I have to focus on my empathy. And I try to be, though I was not, I always mention it that the way you do the structured discussion, it's the perfect one. I always admire that. And I tried to be structured in my structured discussions, though I was not that structured. But I think my structured discussions were a bit better than before. I was not very random. I was trying to, like do the headings, and I was trying to like, to take the case in the form of the headings and try to be structured. Though I was not that as I was expecting, but I think that was another thing
Yeah.
which I especially
Yeah.
focused in my exam.
I think that
Though
that's a
they were,
very valid point that you told us that structured discussions and lay examiner stations carry the maximum marks when it comes,
yeah,
when it comes to the domain-wise marking.
because there was a station in which there was very so many charts of the patient which was having the decreased fetal movement, and I think that my station went totally wrong because I was not able to go through all the charts, and at that time it was a second or the third station. I didn't know that I can go back and I can go through the charts again. So I just, I don't know, I just randomly see the charts, and I thought that everything is fine because there was a reference chart given. The reference growth chart was given, and I just read that chart and I thought everything is fine. And I just came back, and when I talked to the role player, and I told her that there's nothing to worry. I took it as a station as she's having the decreased fetal movement for the first time, and everything is fine. So I took the station that way. So and there was another station. So I think that there was these stations were not. I didn't justify with these stations, but still I don't know how I have passed.
So what is the take-home message in here? That
Yeah.
even if one or two or three or four stations go bad,
Exactly,
okay,
exactly.
you still have got a good chance of passing this exam because it's a
Perfect.
domain-wise marking at the end of the day. You must
Yeah,
have gone
yeah,
wrong as far as the patient safety and applied clinical knowledge is concerned. Maybe you would have
yeah,
passed the communication with the colleagues, you would have passed
Yeah.
another information gathering,
yeah.
isn't it? So yeah, that's also a very, very important point what you
You
told.
must have seen the domains as well in the result.
Yeah, and this time in my first time I didn't have any. There was nothing in my mind that I have to go through the domains. I have to cover the domains. At that time, I was like, I have to do a good station. Like I have to be chatty with the patient, and I just have to like in the language of Dr. Deepika, I have to pour all of my knowledge to the patient.
Yeah.
But yes, in this time, I was aware of the domains. I keep that in mind.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
kept that in
So
mind.
it's not
Yeah.
always demonstrating that everything I know, I will just, give it to the patient. It
Not
doesn't work
about
that way.
knowledge.
Yeah, it's not about
Yeah.
knowledge. Of course, the knowledge is also important, but it's not the only domain. We have got other
Part of it's part of it, but not
part of
like
it.
that. You must have seen like there are 3 domains on communication in your result, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So
Alhamdulillah.
your point was that you knew how it works, where you should focus more, like, how to go in a structured approach, in a structured discussions,
Yeah,
and you knew that the lay examiners are also very, very important. They will have a separate marking for your communication with the
yeah,
patient,
yeah.
and they will be watching you, and where your empathy mode, the communication skills should be, that mode should be switched on, plus, plus, plus.
Yeah, and Dr. Deepika, this time I was like, even if I didn't do anything, like I did anything wrong, I was aware of that. I exactly knew that I should have done this, but I was not able to do this. I wanted to tell the role player this thing, but I couldn't, or because of the time, or because of I just forgot. In the first time, I wasn't aware of that. And at that time, I was like, I did very good. I was very chatty with the patient, and the time was managed. But this time, I
Yeah.
knew
Having
that
that clarity,
what I
isn't
didn't.
it? Having that
Yeah,
clarity.
exactly.
Yeah.
Prepared.
I was scared.
Yeah,
You were
yeah.
very well prepared this time. That's why.
So yes, that is something that definitely you imbibed, and you have definitely done all of that. That's why you are here with the, good
Yeah.
percentage and the results,
Yeah.
which is very commendable, and you have done it. And I think you should stop studying now and enjoy, take some break. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So we are so
Yeah.
happy for you. Yeah, and even
Yeah.
Dr.
Thank you
Join
Shazia.
so
the
much.
family as well. They
Thank
Yeah,
you
must
so
have
much.
suffered as well.
yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Because not going through this exam for the second time would be like very difficult to get back and study for the third time. It's very difficult. There is
It's
emotional
very
component,
difficult.
physical
And just
component.
like 10 or 15 minutes before, I was just reading your message on the group now. So I was like, yeah, she's very right. Our families have suffered and how we have suffered. And I was like just praying and I don't
Yeah.
know.
No, we were stressed almost for a week. It was important
Yeah.
for us as well that, it's not, we are only facilitators. At the end of the day, it's all about how much efforts you have put in. And sometimes,
Yeah,
even despite of all the efforts, you will not be able to get through it. It's unfortunate. It was not your day. But then having that,
yeah.
seeing that you cleared this exam, it's like you have put in a lot of effort for many, many, many years, isn't it? Part one, part two,
Yeah.
part
And also,
Yeah,
like
exactly.
for the last 1 week, even more than that time, it was like my result is coming. I was continuously talking to everyone around me. The result is coming. Please pray.
Yeah,
Yeah.
very,
Everyone
very,
like
very
they were,
happy, Dr. Anum. Very, very
yeah,
happy.
Same
yeah,
here.
very
Thank you so much. Thank you so much,
Keep
Dr.
guiding
Deepika. Thank
your
you so much,
junior
Dr.
colleagues.
Sana. Yeah,
Definitely,
sure.
whether you practice in the UK or not, this exam is going to make a difference in your career, and it's going to make difference in the way
Exactly.
the way you practice, communicate with the patients. It's much beyond this pass or fail, isn't it? So keep
Exactly.
guiding more and more junior colleagues to take up these exams, be
Yeah.
it MRCPI or MRCOG, any membership exams for that matter. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. All
Thank you
the
so
very best,
much.
Dr.
Thank
Anu.
you.
Keep in
Thank you
touch.
so
Yeah.
much.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. Thank you so much.
you
Take
really
care.
are a
Bye.
brilliant doctor. I know you as a doctor as well. I know you as a junior. So you really are a very always very that comforting kind of a person that if you will ask something to Anam to do this, that will be done for sure. If you sleep at
Thank
night and you will ask Anam to do these tasks,
Yeah, Dr.
you
Sana,
will
you're
wake up
having
and
a,
Anam would
such a
have
good
done this.
senior. Yeah.
You're
Thank you
such a
so much.
great
Thank you so
senior.
much. I don't
Yeah.
have any words to like just to show my gratitude. I don't have any words to thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you
you
so
Yeah.
much.
are very
So much.
obedient. That much I can definitely
Yeah,
say.
she's
Yeah.
really very obedient. I told Deepika as well that Anam has been always a very obedient junior.
Yeah, she always does
Thank you so
more than
much.
what you expect.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, keep in touch, Dr. Anu.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yes,
sure.
definitely.
Yes,
Sure,
yes.
inshallah, inshallah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you.
you so
Okay,
much.
Bye
Anam.
bye. Bye
Take
bye.
care.
Take